tone on pronoun or
人
immediately following a verb. The 137 rule is frequently used in cases where a pronoun or the word
人
immediately follows a verb and is at the end of a phrase, clause, sentence. In such cases, the pronoun and
人
change tone in the same way as the
啊
of the perfect tense. A.
請你予我
Note that the tone of the verb
予
does not change,
我
changes from second to the seventh tone because
予
is in the seventh tone. Compare with
請你予我
B.
h³-ōe³-jī
Note,
人
is a one-syllable noun. The change of tone here is an exception to the rule that one-syllable nouns do not change tone. Compare with
伊⁷-ōe³-人
C.
伊无爱钱予人
Note, the first verb
爱
may precede the direct object
钱
D.
20块买予我
Contrast D with E.
20块买予我用
In E, since the pronoun
我
is not at the end of a phrase, clause, sentence, it follows the regular rule of tone changes, second to first, and does not follow the 137 rule. F.
优先是无爱意
Compare with
优先是无爱意
G.
因买请咱
Compare with
因买请咱